Scientists like you and me theorize that everything in the universe falls into 3 categories. That's right. Not 1, not 2, but 3 categories. The first category is space. Space is nothing, just big, empty space. That's right, nothing, just big, empty space. The second is matter. You know the stuff that you and me, everything that we can see, touch, feel, is made of anything that takes up space is matter. This phone is matter, this clock is matter, your mom is matter. You videotape. The third is energy. Energy makes things move. Let's talk about energy for the rest of your life.
Heat is energy. Electricity is energy. Light is energy.
Sound is energy!
By using sound, can we move the matter on top of this can? By using sound, can we move the matter, sodium chloride or table salt, on the top of this can? Let's see what happens.
Did you see how the salt moves? Energy moves in waves. Sound is energy.